ETH, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis, we mentioned we have been looking for the reversal. This is what we get. And we mentioned we want to see the breakout of the 3.2 cap. Then we can look for 3.5. As we can see the price tag 3.2, then there was no breakout. And right now we're looking for daily correction. If the price consolidate here for longer time, it turns to daily correction, then any opportunity for buy from there, we will take it. All right. But I need to highlight that it doesn't mean simply we can take the trade. It doesn't mean the price cannot drop. Okay. That's why we have to wait for the daily correction. We have to wait for the trade setup before we take the next trade. Simply, we cannot take the trade because from what we have right now, we cannot consider this one as a proper daily correction with the trade setup. Okay. Then that means we have to wait if this one turns to deeper correction. Any opportunity is either based on daily or lower time frame, we will take it. And with the breakout of the 3.2, at least we're looking to see the breakout of the 3.5 following by 3850. And as a long term, we're looking for the reversal. We're looking for buy. All it depends what we will get here, whether we can get the daily correction and whether we can see the breakout of the previous top or not. Because as I mentioned in my last analysis, with the breakout of the all-time high, we're looking for 5.5 following by 7K. All right. And whenever we're talking about the reversal, it doesn't mean the price can reverse as a sharp or a straight line. That means we can expect the price to consolidate here for longer time before we see the reversal. But to make it very simple, we're looking for buy at this point. All right. We are not really interested to look for sell. And if I move to lower time frame, and again, if you refer to our analysis, we discuss about the divergence, and this is what we get. And how deep this correction can be. If this is the daily correction with the breakout of 2850, we can expect the price drop to 2720 following by 2580. All right, before we see the reversal. And as we can see, based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup, and even we don't have any information based on indicators. And if I move to 1 hour chart, how about if we refer to the indicators, we don't see the divergence. We have the divergence. By the way, we cannot rely on that. Right now, how to look for trade? Okay, either we look for buy or sell. At this point, we don't have any trade setup. If we want to look for buy, having entry above this, I won't suggest it. Why? Because simply we can expect this one turn to flat before we get the next drop. That's why if we want to look for buy, again, it depends on the strategy the traders they use, but the simplest way, if it's the sharp move, flag with the breakout of the stop, then from there we can take the trade. We can look for buy. And the flag should be either based on 1 hour or 15 minutes. Having entry above this, again, is not valid. Simply the price can tag and drop. And even if anyone wants to look for sell, the only option is to put the entry below this, which I won't suggest it. That means we have to wait. We see how this correction can form, because still we can expect the price drop some more before we see the next trade. Okay, again, we're looking for buy as a long term. All right, we're looking for the reversal as a long term, but we have to wait for the trade setup. It doesn't mean the price cannot drop, because we mentioned how deep this one can go. All right, even we can expect the price drop to 2580, but that means within this range, if the price continue and drop, we can look for sell. But the sell is a short term. Again, we are looking for the long term trade. We're looking for buy. And at this, because since the price was here, we have been looking for buy. This is what we get. Now we want to see if this one turns to daily correction, we will take the next trade. All right. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any trade setup, then I will share. Thanks.